How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYGTECH. I think I need to clean my lens. So in today's video we have an interesting product which is being sent to me from this company. All the links is gonna be in the description down below. So they reach out and they ask me if I want to review this interesting product. So basically this is a light that you can use it in a different occasion, for example for kitchen cabinets, also for under counter, desk, workbench and so on. So in today's video we'll check what comes in the box, also we'll set up the light and we'll show you how it looks like in the real life. And the sun is coming back. Amazing. So this is Stefan. Let's see what comes in the box now. Alright, so let's see now what comes in the box. Let's unbox it and we'll set the light together. So let's unbox it now. Let's see what comes in the box. Pretty interesting light. Okay. So what we have here, this is pretty easy to set up. So I'm gonna remove everything from the box and yeah, this is all. So we have some 3M tape. Basically this, if you want to attach it to the cabinet, or also if you want to attach the light permanent, you can do that as well. Also we have a user manual with all the information. And because I live in UK, this is a 3-pin UK plug adapter, and this is the charger basically. Yeah, this is nice. Also the light has sensors. I will demonstrate that when I set up the light. It's pretty easy. So let's do it together now. Okay, so I'm gonna use this part of the kitchen because I have a 3-pin socket here, so this is gonna be easy to set up. The light is pretty easy to set up. I will demonstrate now. So you can choose where do you want to put the light. Pretty simple. Also we have the stickers here and I'll demonstrate now. So if I decide to put the light here, it's gonna be here under. So as you can see, this is the way that, but you can choose your light where exactly needs to be. Obviously needs to be closer to the 3-pin socket because otherwise you need power. So in that case I will show you now. I will demonstrate. Okay, so when you remove the 3M stickers, as you can see now the final result here. So I decide to put here and here, so you can choose, but make sure that it's on the each corner just to make sure. And this is the sensor here. When you touch with your hand, the lights will turn on, off, and lighter or brighter. So we'll demonstrate, we'll check it now. I'll put it exactly here between and exactly in the middle. So it needs to be exactly on the middle. So as you can see, it's on the middle. And now let's plug the power. As you can see, the lights doesn't turn on, so we need to do the gesture. Wow, this is so cool. Apologize for stopping the review. So the sensors work like this way. So if you wave your hands once, you can turn the lights. This is 100%. If you wave one more time, you can switch off the lights. And now let's turn the lights on. And if you want to dim the lights, make it 50% or less. Just hold your hand front of the sensor. So as you can see, now this is 8%. If you want the full capacity, just hold your hand front of the sensor, and now we have the 100% light. Let's go back to the review now. So one more time. I think this is the brighter setting. And this is off. This is like a magic. This is so cool. Let me make the brightness a little bit down just to have idea how bright it is. So one gesture, you turn the lights on. So as you can see, this is pretty cool. So let me know, what do you think, guys? Also, let me show you how brighter is. As you can see, so off, on. There we have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. So this light actually is pretty good and makes everything so bright, so I can use it as a light as well. So you can use this not just for the kitchen, but I don't know. So yeah, let me know what you think about this light. I think it's cool and definitely I recommend it. So I will leave all the links in the descriptions down below. So yeah, let me know what do you think. This is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time.